key documents to review when you invest with Kilde?
So first thing which I would check is the snapshot information, introducing the team, their customers, their products, their
Hey everybody, welcome back to Kilde Talks Finance. My name is Johanna and we are here with Radek, our CEO and co-founder, and we are going to look at the key documents that you should review as an investor when you invest with Kilde. Radek, do you want to talk us through those?
Sure, thanks for having me, Johanna. Let's go right into it. So when you access our platform, you can review investments. There's an investments tab and you can click through to any investment. So first thing which I would check is the snapshot information, which is say about the maturity of the investment, coupon frequency, early redemption frequency, the interest rates which you will be paid to by the borrower, and the information whether the deal is secured or unsecured. The next thing, staying on the same page, if you scroll a little bit down, there is a section on the financials where we have a financial mini version of the financial statements, because we are lending to non-bank financial institutions. There is the portfolio size, there is how many employees do they have, in which countries they have a presence, and basic information like revenue, gross income, net income, size of the assets, size of the liabilities, all the basic things are there. And this is getting updated, by the way. Every quarter we update information, even after you invest. If you want to know even more, especially about the business of the company, then download the presentation, which is on the right side in the document section. This is usually introducing the team, their customers, their products. They show the historic financial snapshot, future plans. They have all these things on the presentation. If you want to go even deeper, there is the whole information memorandum, which is a long document. But you can start reading from about page 20, I think usually it is, 20 up to say 35 something. That's the main thing, where we in detail introduce the borrower, introduce the management team, give a full financial statements for the past, usually we do past 3 years over there, cash flow statements, balance sheets, right, projection, for the future, what are the risk factors related to this investment. So all these things are in the information memorandum. If you don't have time to read the financial information memorandum, but you would like to know more about the parameters of the deal, there's a document called pricing supplement, which is a one-page document in a table format. It is in a detailed way telling you, again, the interest rates, coupon frequency, redemption frequency, but it's also telling you more details about how the days are calculated when calculate the coupon. Right? What exactly are the condition for the early redemption? What exactly are the condition for the collateral, which may be part of the deal? And speaking about the collateral, the last document, the fifth one, is the so-called securing charge agreement. So that is the agreement which regulates the collateral for the loans, the loan to value, the quality of the collateral, the renewal of the collateral, all these things around the collateral. So start simple, just look at whatever is on the page. We try to fit the most important information on the page, so you don't need to actually open the documents. But then the first document to go after is the presentation, information memorandum, pricing supplement, then securing charge agreement.
Super. And is it fair to say as well, because we typically structure these transactions as bankruptcy remote SPVs out of Singapore, so each tranche, they have their own legal framework or own legal documents attached to it. And as an investor, then, if you have participated in a tranche for a specific borrower and you are perhaps thinking, when can I invest again? When is there another tranche coming up? You can review the first set of documents because the next set will most likely be very similar, right? So that you're ready to go on the date when this tranche launches.
Yes, that's right. So we use one bankruptcy remote special purpose vehicle which holds the loan to the borrower. So we have a one per borrower. And then the additional tranches we are doing, we are also disbursing through that single SPV. And the additional tranches, the legal documentation is very similar. Unless it's stated like otherwise, it's 90% of the documentation is the same.
Yeah, perfect. It's a bit of a hot tip that you don't necessarily need to review every upcoming package and get a bit ahead by reviewing the legal documents that's already uploaded, and you'll find it under past deals on the platform. Thank you very much, Radek. Any other questions, let us know in the comments and we'll be happy to answer them. See you later.
See you later. Thank you.